Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to BSG News. I am your host Monica Chauhan, and let's look at the top stories for tonight. National Youth Leadership Development Seminar conduct in Darjeeling. National Headquarters host a webinar series on Pragati Path. NTC Panchmadi conduct a leader trainer and specialized course. Adventure camp organized at the Panchmadi and Manali. Water distribution service was carried out the various locations. Plantation drive conducted by the state associations. East Coast Railway conduct a specialized course in Kundra Road district. Vice Chancellor of Baba Masnad University Rohtak blessed a participant of the basic and advanced courses. State Delegate Ahmed Minister School Education of Jamshedpur. Chief Minister of Karnataka present a State Environment Award to unit of Hassan district. North Eastern Railway State organized a Sunday on cycle rallies. Odisha State observed a Global Fatty Liver Day on state headquarters. Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports Tripura government inaugurate a basic course at Agartala. West Bengal conduct disaster management courses in Ganganagar. National headquarters of Bharat Scout and Guides. The National Level Youth Leadership Development Seminar was conducted at the National Adventure Institute, Krusong, Darjeeling from 11th to 15th of June 2025 under the leadership of Sri Alnendra Sharma, Assistant Director, Youth Program. 175 delegates from and 15 facilitators participate in a 14 state. The seminar was inaugurated by Sri Jogendra Prasad, State Commissioner of CUB, West Bengal, Sri Jitendra Seth, Deputy National Commissioner, and visited a seminar and inaugurate the participants Sri Vadasvi Teja, Deputy AIS Sub-Divisional Officer Krusong Darjeeling was chief guest in the Grand Campfire. Pragati Path Awareness Webinar. A series of webinars is being conducted by the Bharat Scout and Guides National Headquarters under the leadership of Sri Mahendra Sharma, Assistant Director RD and SA, focusing on Pragati Path awareness. The webinar were conducted and held on 11th to 12th, 13th, 16th, and 17th of June 2025. For all regions, each session saw the participation and approximately 100 members who gained the valuable insight into the Pragati Path initiatives. NTC Panchmadi, the National Training Center Panchmadi, conduct a series of training course in June 2025. A course for leader trainers, guide wing was held from 15 to 21st of June 2025 under the leadership of Ms. Kumud Mehra, in charge, Deputy Director of Guide, Leader Trainer, with a total of 48 participants. Smoothly of 56th of course of Leader Trainers, Scout Wing was conducted under the leadership of Sri S.S. Ray, Deputy Director of Scout, Leader Trainer, with 39 trainees participated from 15 state associations. 3 specialized courses were organized by from 9 to 13th June 2025. Warden cum Quartermaster course led by Sri Arun Chandra, Peter LT Cub and Estate Manager with 22 participants. Pioneering cum Estimation course attended by 81 participants conducted by Sri Ramatar Sambhania LT Cub and Cap Subrata Bere LT Scout. First aid course with 100 participants led by Sri Arindam Bhatnacharya LT Rover, Dr. C.V. Krupa Vijay LT Guide and Sri Ambika Prasad Das LT Scout. NEI Panchmadi. The 525th National Adventure Program was conducted at the National Adventure Institute Panchmadi from 12th to 18th of June 2025 under the leadership of Ms. Bilkis Sheikh, in charge Adventure Program Officer. 322 participants from Haryana, Eastern Railway, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, and Delhi took a part in this program. Manali. The National Youth Adventure Program was conducted at Manali from 11 to 15th of June 2025 under the leadership of Sri Siddharth Mohanty, Project Officer. 34 participants from Rajasthan, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, and Western Railway took a part in this program. Bihar. Kathia district of Bihar State Bharat Scout and Guides organized a 2-day free water distribution service camp on 16th to 17th of June 2025 at KB Jha and Shahadi Chowk, Kathia. Around 50 Scout Guide, Rover Ranger, Unit Leader, and District Official participated in the activity along with a member from various social organizations. Central Railway. On 15th June 2025, the Vikrant C Group, Anjani of Central Railway Bharat Scout and Guides Nagpur Division organized a tea plantation drive at the Shankar Dheem Memorial Scout Guide Day. Several saplings were planted, showcasing the group commitment to a greener and healthier future. East Central Railway. On 12th of June 2025, the district level annual meeting of East Central Railway Bharat Scout and Guides Dhanbad District Association was held on Dhanbad. Sri Ashok Kumar, Senior Divisional Personnel Officer and District Commissioner, graced the occasion as a chief guest. In his address, he commended the significant role of Scout and Guide in the nation building of community service and encouraged the youth to take a active leadership and purpose innovative initiatives. East Coast Railway. Kundra Road District Association of East Coast Railway Bharat Scout and Guides conduct a district level testing camp from 16 to 18th of June 2025. 128 participate, including the Cub Bulbul Scout Guide Rover Ranger, took a part in this camp. The East Coast Railway State organized a two-state level specialized campus at First Aid and Pioneering Come estimation from 8th to 12th of June 2025 at the Kundra Road District Training and Camping Complex. A total 80 participated from Machinswar, Kundra, Valte, and Sambalpur took a part in this skill enhancing camp. The Diamond Jubilee Hall of renovated district training and camping complex of the Kundra Road District Association, East Coast Railway, were inaugurated by Sri H.S. Bhajwa, Divisional Railway Manager, Kundra Road Railway, on 10th of June 2025. Eastern Railway, in response to the scoring summer heat, member of the Adra District Association provide a month-long drinking water service to the public, demonstration their dedication and community welfare and humanitarian value. On 8th of June 2025, the Damodar Rover Crew of Eastern Railway, Bharat Scout and Guides, Anasol District, organized a exciting overnight cross-country adventure hike starting from 6 p.m. from Damodar Group premises, and team covered the various routes in the raise awareness about the environment pollution among the local researching. Shampur More by 10:30 p.m. Haryana. The Haryana State Bharat Scout and Guides organize a basic and advanced courses for Cub Master and Scout Master and Nature Study Training Camp for Scout Master and Cub Master at Baba Mastan University, Rohtak from 12th to 18th of June 2025. On this occasion, the Vice Chancellor of University Professor Dr. H.L. Verma participated as a chief guest and encouraged the participant. He was accompanied by his wife, retired Principal Miss Anjubala. 94 Scout Master and Cub Master participated in the course. In his address, Vice Chancellor Dr. Verma inspired the Scout Master, Cub Master, and trainees by the stating the scouting is not a hobby but a means of service, discipline, and self-development. He is emphasized the scouting movement is the foundation of the national building, instilling dedication, restraint, and self-respect among the youth. State Training Commissioner Sri Alice Verma warmly welcomed the Honorable District Honor Dr. Verma and Mrs. Anjubala by presenting with a scarf and Himachali cap. Jharkhand. On Saturday, 7th of June 2025 at 9 a.m., the three-member delegation from the East Singhbhum District Association of Jharkhand Bharat Scout and Guides, led by District Organizing Commissioner Mr. Naresh Kumar, paid a courtesy visit of the Honorable Minister of School Education and Literacy Government of Jharkhand, Mr. Ramdas Soren, at Jabalpur, presented a bouquet and BSG scarf. During the meeting, the delegation briefed the Minister of Ongoing Scouting and Guiding Activities East Singhbhum schools and shared the details of upcoming district program. They request him to accept the honorary role and chief patron, which is graciously accepted. Karnataka. Shri Girish and his team, founder of Eklavya Open Group and G. Jal Foundation of Hassan District of Karnataka State Bharat Scout and Guides, have been selected for the Karnataka State Environment Award 2025 on 17th of June 2025. The Honorable Chief Minister of Karnataka present our award at Tripuravasini Place Ground, Bangalore. On 17th of June 2025, the Environmental March and held on Vidhana Sudha East Gate, Bangalore, as a part of World Environment Day 2025 celebrations organized by the Department of Forest and Environment of Karnataka State Pollution Control Board. The event was inaugurated by Honorable Deputy CM Sri D.K. Shivkumar. More than 3,000 members, Scout Guide Rover Ranger of Karnataka State Bharat Scout and Guides participated in the march. Kerala. The district level drug free Now Kerala campaign, organized by the Kerala State Bharat Scout and Guides Taliparamba District Association on 12th of June 2025 at Montinad HR Secondary School, Taliparamba. The campaign was inaugurated by Mrs. Khadija KP, Chairperson of the Education Standing Committee, Taliparamba Municipality. In her inaugural address, she emphasized the collective responsibility of society, eliminations drugs use along the children's. The call of unity sustained for the protect the younger generation from the maniac of the drug abuse, and even was praised over Mrs. Vandana as KAS District Chief Commissioner and District Education Officer DEO, 180 uniformed member along with the students and Motivan Higher Secondary School of nearly 100 teachers from various parts of district attendees the program. Madhya Pradesh State Level Scout Guider Study Come Nature Study Workshop was organized by the 5th of June to 9th of June 2025 at Leela Beri Training Center, Raiwala, Haridwar. 26 members from the various districts participated during the workshop. Participated visit in scenic sport
such as Kempty, Falls, Lake, and Sahasradhara in Dehradun, as well as Rishikesh and Haridwar. The scouts and guiders embodied the spirit of the scouting by the participating in Shramdan voluntary service, food distribution, community service, and cleanliness drive in the holy land of Haridwar. The program was conducted under the leadership of Miss Kanchan Singh, Assistant State Organization Commissioner, Guide Sagar. Northeastern Railway Bharat Scout and Guides BLW Varanasi District Association organized a cycle rally on 8th of June 2025 at 7:30 a.m. as a part of the Sunday on Cycle which Indian Railways program. The event was held under the guidance of the presence of Shri A.K. Singh, District Commissioner, Scout and Deputy Chief Mechanical Engineer Inspection BLW. Total 60 members from the BLW District Association participated in the rally. The rally was flagged off by the Shri Nareshpal Singh, General Manager BLW. Meanwhile, the Shri Ram Bajpai group of Varanasi District Association organized a two-day camp, Youth Lead Action on Climate Change from 14th to 15th of June 2025. The camp was led by group leader Shri Asit Ghosh with the participation of 25 Scout Rovers and unit leader. The closing ceremony of the camp was graced by the Shri Rakesh Roshan, CHI officer, Varanasi Can, Northern Railway as a chief guest. Odisha. On 14th of June 2025, around 55 Scout Guide Rover Rangers of Puri district, Odisha State Bharat Scout and Guides rendered selfless service at the scared Alanath temple, Brahmgiri, Puri. They distribute the curd water and to devotees, manage the quest and collected the diyas from pilgrims and helped keep to temple premises clean. On 13th of June 2025, Odisha State Bharat Scout and Guides observed the Global Fatty Liver Day at a state headquarters, Unit 3, Bhubaneswar. Professor Dr. Manoj Kumar Sahu, gastroenterologist, as a KIMS Bhubaneswar, addressed the participant as a initiateful talk on a fatty liver disasters. There are some symptoms and preventive measure. He also conduct an engaging initiative question answer session. A total 95 participants attend the program and actively took a part in the discussion. Rajasthan, the Jodhpur district of Rajasthan State Bharat Scout and Guides conduct a review and intensive inspection of various skill-based interest centers running until 23rd of June 2025 under the leadership of Assistant State Organization Commissioner Mr. Chatar Singh PDR and District Secretary Dr. B.L. Jakar, Sikar District organized a service activity on 13th of June 2025 as a part of the Vande Ganga Bhatter Conservation Campaign. The collaboration with the Environmental Education Program of Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Government of India, Scout and Rover actively participated in Shramdan of Meru Park, Bolna, Baliji, Sanwali Road, Madhav Sagar, Janana Ghat, and Scout and Guide Office. They collect a paper, waste, garbage, plastic bottles, gutkas wraps, and the polythene bags, followed by the cleanliness drive. Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu State Bharat Scout and Guides, Sairam District Association conduct a condolence prayer meeting at the Leo Muthu Auditorium on 14th of June 2025 in a light of the recent tragic flight case near the Ahmedabad Scout and Guides of Sairam Institute came together to honor the remember of the precious lives that were lost. The State Bharat Scout and Guides conducted two basic courses for the Scout Master and two basic courses for Guide Captain for the school teachers and senior scouts and guide to SBS Youth Hostel, Agartala, from 16th to 22nd of June 2025. Shri Tinku Roy, Honorable Minister Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of Tripura, inaugurated the courses in presence of the Shri Prabir Majumdar, IPS, the Inspector General of Police, Shri S.B. Nath, Director Youth Affairs and Sports, Shri Biplab, Dr. Datta, the Director, Shri Prabal Kanti Dev, the Director, Shri Kamal Bhattacharjee, LT Scout, West Bengal, Srimati Ratna De, LT Guide, West Bengal. More than 140 participants, including the officials from different districts, participated in the course. West Bengal State Bharat Scout and Guides conduct a basic courses for flock leaders, guide captains, and ranger leader from the 6th to 12th of June 2025 at the State Training Center, Ganganagar, with total 71 participants. The grand campfire was held on the concluding event. Grace Miss Kumkum Majumdar, LTB Headquarters Commissioner Guide. A state-level disaster management course was conducted from the 12th to 16th of June 2025 at Training Center, Ganganagar, under the leadership of Surjit Nandi, leader trainer. 123 Scout Guide Rover Ranger and NDRF heroes participated in the course. The Nawabaj, Surendranath Banerjee Scout Guide Camp Group of the 24th North Pragna District organized the initiative ceremony on the 15th of May 2025 at 5 p.m. at the premises of Sri Sri Radha Govinda Ju Mandir, Ichhapur, Nawabganj. 19 new members were formally invested in during the event.